Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brokerage using Bank of America routing details. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the transfer process, gather your Bank of America routing details. Verify that you have your account number ready as well. Log into your brokerage account through your preferred web browser. Navigate to the section labeled Account Services or Funds Transfer. Look for the option that allows you to transfer funds or change banking information. Select the option to add a new bank account. Enter the required details, starting with your Bank of America routing number. Next, input your Bank of America account number accurately. Ensure all the information entered is correct to prevent any delays. Once all details are confirmed, choose the type of transfer you wish to perform. You may need to select whether it's a one-time transfer or a recurring transfer. Review the terms and conditions provided by your brokerage. Confirm the transfer by clicking the designated button, usually labeled Submit or Confirm. You should receive a confirmation message on your screen once the transfer is initiated. Check your email for any notifications regarding the transfer status. Monitor your brokerage and bank accounts for the update on the transfer. If you encounter any issues, reach out to your brokerage's customer support for assistance. Be aware that transfers may take a few business days to complete. Patience is key while waiting for the funds to reflect in your brokerage account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.